Hello everyone, this is a quick product review on some seat covers. Just bought it's not a new truck, it's 10 or 11 years old now, but bought a truck, wanted to protect the seats. The seats were in good condition before I start working and going in and out of the seats and bringing in all kinds of dust from different projects. I wanted to get these covered. I've used Browning seat covers. Actually, in my old truck I had front and rear Browning seat covers, so I did the same thing here. Front seats are bucket. They have the headrest. It comes with the headrest covers. Now this isn't perfectly form-fitting tight, but the material is really tough. I feel like the areas that are going to get hit the hardest have a material where it's stitched here that's actually a little bit more tough than the kind of the softer. This is a softer area. This is a bit softer, but you know, this is going to protect the seats from getting scratched up, tore up. I could put a toolbox in the seat and I don't have to worry about whatever's in the bottom of the toolbox actually getting on the seat, because the seat material itself would be really hard to recover, but putting the seat cover on just protects it. And here's the back seat. This one, because I do have the split seats in the back, I got the cover that splits in the back, and I will have the links to both the front seat bucket covers and the back seat bench cover. The bottom is a bench. Now the bottom of my seats can fold up, so I would have to take the bottom and pull the front of the bottom cover off to get to the seat to fold the back seat up. But I can fold the back seat. I can fold the backs of the back seat down. Now I did take the back seat cover did not come with headrest covers. I took the headrest covers out of the back anyway because it's much easier to see out the back. But I just wanted to show you, these are not difficult to install. If you can pull the back seat backs down, then it's easier to get to where you clip the little bungee strap that goes on the back. The black straps that you see that go over the top of the seat, that's built into the seat cover. Those are some straps that go around the back, and there's a long Velcro strap that helps tighten the top. And then there's some little rubber strips that have a little clip that go around the bottom. You just kind of clip them to the metal frame on the bottom. In the front, you just want to make sure you don't clip them to the track. That's what this is. There's a little bungee strap that goes underneath. There's one on this side and there's one on the other side, and you just have to go under, get your hands under there, and then there's two little clips that clip together. It's got some, you know, there's a little bit of a stretchy tension between these two. There's actually a piece that's underneath here that's stitched into the bottom, and it rolls around, this little foam roller, so you tuck the foam roller in between the seats, and that's what holds it in. Both front seats are like that, and the back seats. The back seat has three, so there's a little foam roller on the driver's side, in the middle, and on the passenger side in the back. There's a foam roller in here, and there's another one on the driver's seat. But these, I've seen some that have like a pocket in the front. These don't have like a stretchy band thing with the pocket. If you go to the back here, so this is high enough that I can still use my stock seat pockets. I don't have to worry about, this didn't have to have a built-in stretched pocket built into the back of this, so I don't have to worry about that. But you can kind of see how this is strapped on in the back just to keep the tension here. This whole top piece, this goes on like a t-shirt. You just slip it over the top, and then this is Velcro, and it just kind of, you put it across the back and put the two pieces together. Same with the driver's seat. You know, this has got a stretchy band around the bottom, and this also has this pull string. Sorry, get my hand in the way. This has this pull string here too, and the pull string is like any other. It's just a little clip. You pinch it in, and then pull this out, and it'll tighten up the whole bottom. It kind of wants to slide in easy, so I just got it to where I wanted it tight, and then I just went ahead and looped a knot into this, just one quick knot. I'm not gonna triple knot it, so I can't get this undone later, but I'd say this is pretty handy. I think it's worth the price. I'll have the prices posted, and I'll have the links in the description and the part number. I believe I ended up getting the front seats from Autozone, the front seat covers from Autozone, and the back seat cover. They did not have the one that I wanted in stock at Autozone, and I believe the price was cheaper getting it on Amazon anyway, so I just bought it through Amazon. But like I said, I'll just have links to both those. But that is just a just Browning seat covers, easy install. I think they're worth saving the seats themselves if you want to save seats before they get destroyed. I think that's the best way to do it. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Just keep posted on my channel. If you subscribe, it'll notify you. Otherwise, you can just look back. If you like the video and share the video, that'll help get the information on my channel out a little bit better. And you know, right now I'm looking at my statistics on my channel. I've noticed that it says something like 0.1% of people that are subscribed to my channel are watching, so 99% of the people that watch videos on my channel are not subscribed. So I think at this moment I've got about 60 subscribers, and it'd be great to get to the point where I could get monetized. I'm not getting any money for posting any of my videos. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Browning's not paying me for this. Other reviews that I've done for other brands, they're not paying me to do this. I'm just trying to help people out, save you a little bit of money. You know, if there's a way to get donated to keep the channel going, and just keep posting videos and spend my time posting videos and trying to help people out with making good decisions and saving money and saving time doing the research, then maybe I'll try to figure out how to do that one day. But anyway, for now, appreciate you watching the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the channel and video, and make comments if you have any questions. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Bye.